Okay, hello. I got a couple from chapter 9.1 to solve here. So this is 9.1, page 442, and we're talking about number 3A, B, C. So the first one, 3A, asks us to sketch the graph of each function using transformations, identify the domain, range, intercepts, and asymptotes. So the function is y equals 6 over x plus 1. Now, what's important to remember is that these are a transformation of the base function, y equals 1 over x. So a transformed function is going to have the equation y equals a over x minus h, and there may be a b here, plus k. So in this case, I have an a of 6, and I would rewrite this as minus -1, so I have an h of -1. So I got a vertical stretch of 6, and I'm going left 1 unit. So now this is going to take my original graph, which had a vertical asymptote right here, right? Because my base function is like this and like that. Sorry, like this and like that. And so this one is going to move this vertical asymptote over to x equals -1. And my point that was at so my vertical asymptote moved over 1 unit, and the point that was at 1, 1 now moves left 1. It'll be at 0, and it gets stretched up to 6. So every point gets stretched up 6 units, okay? And this point that was at -1, 1 is now at -2, and it would have been at -1, but it goes 6 units down to -6. So this point is -2, -6. Okay, and so you could do a few more points to kind of get an idea, but basically it's going to look like this, and it's going to keep its same horizontal asymptote on the x-axis. So this is an HA at y equals 0, and the VA. And you could find each point by basically moving each point from the original function left and then up 6 units. B is y equals 4 over x plus 1. And now this one has an a value of 4 and a k value of 1. So this is going to stretch it vertically by 4 units, which doesn't change any asymptotes, but this is going to change the horizontal asymptote and all other points up by 1. So this is a vertical translation of 1.